Hello. The camera is out again because we're going on a little adventure again. So this time we're not going out of the country, but we are going to the capital. We're going to London. It's Friday the 27th of April? No. We would have been in Orlando then. Still very sad about not being there. But it's Friday the 27th of May. We are off to London till Monday. There'll be me, Hannah, as usual. But Mum and Dad are coming along because we're taking Dad to see the rugby at the Tottenham Stadium, which I'm actually kind of excited about because we are a Spurs household and we're a Wigan household and they're in the final of rugby as well. So it's a win-win, and we get to see a new stadium, which I'm very excited about because I want to see. They've got the bar. What's that on my foot? They've got the bar the size of the pitch, don't they? So I'll have a nice little look there. But yeah, thought I'd bring you along. It's not time to go yet, but I just thought I'd start now. So it started. We're getting the 10 to 5 train, so we're going to get there about 8 o'clock, half 8, 20 past 8, somewhere in that area. It takes about just over 3 hours to get to London, so it is not too bad. But yeah, I went the usual Nando's on the train, so I'll have to order that because that's my job. But yeah, I'll see you at some point. We are at we're at the train station. The Nando's is acquired. We are just waiting for the train so we can eat it. Fingers crossed it's really cold, but it's hard to. We have a nice cup of tea and I know. We are here. We are on the... Oh man, let's get in. We are on the underground.
Where'd you go on? We've gone to that, haven't
I've seen that,
yeah.
it's not on until
We have arrived.
June.
Hannah. We have arrived at the premiering for the night. So this room is just for one night because we've booked in Premier Plus for the other two. Don't ask. But I'll take you on a lovely little tour. So we come in. I love a room tour. Let's have a go. We come in. We've got a lovely mirror. Let's see. Some plugs. Hairdryer. This. And then you go left into the bathroom. Oh, very, very nice. No toiletries. But a nice mirror. Shower. Towels. Come out. Tea station. With a little card from the housekeeping team. An alright sized TV. A double bed. Can't wait for that. A chair. And I'll just go around because Hannah's just doing this. This is the view. A lovely building. A lovely building. A lovely building. Lovely. Oh, look, there's the... Oh. The parents are next door. I bet they're ready to go. We're literally dropping our bags and going. Not today, thank you.
Come on, I'm going.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Come on.
With buying. We've gone for a record like passion fruit. It's very nice. There's no pans on martini. Yeah, we're flat watching. It's very interesting. We're gonna go Sainsbury's and then probably just head home to get some water. No, I've got them. I don't want to do this too. Did you know? We are back. I have a cup of tea. Let's do a tea test. Tastes funny, but I think it's the water. But that's hot. A couple of biscuits. I obviously won't eat the whole thing. And Sarah Milliken. I'm tired, I can't speak. Sarah Milliken is on, so I will bid you good night. And Hannah's eating some crisps, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh. Morning, and welcome to a glorious day in London. Let's have a look out the window. Oh, lovely. Nice and sunny. Oh, there's definitely a bar down there. We've seen people sat there last night, which looked nice. But yeah, no cloud. Oh, is that the Shard I see? Well, yep. Who knows? It's a pointy building. Anyhow, it's rugby day. I've got a black top on with foundation on. Can't wait to get that off. One sec, just go to a mirror. My leather shorts, Keach belt. I've got a retro wiggin top to change into, and a brown blazer to pop on because it might be a bit chilly outside. Let's go. Oh, hello. Let's go for some breakfast. Get the key, Hannah. we have decided to go to Sightseeing for breakfast. I've actually never been for breakfast, so this could be good. Shall we have a cocktail with breakfast, ma'am?
Oh yes.
What time is it? 9:30.
Oh, they're going to stop serving shortly anyway, they'll miss it.
What is it to? 11:30.
11:30.
We didn't make it to Sightseeing because it's closed, so it's good old Wetherspoons. Yeah, it's not very nice. It's here.
We've got a wobbly table.
The sun is out, but we have finished our breakfast. I can't speak to them. But we're gonna walk down to the Tower Bridge. Oh look, there's the Shard. Lovely. And now Tower Bridge, and we're not going in, but we're gonna have a look at the Tower of London. Yeah. Kayakers! Hey, I want a kayak in there. Oh, what's that way? Shard. Let's see if he's taking photos. Oh. Hannah, I just thought, what happened on this bridge? Mysterio locked him in the.
Oh yeah.
In the bus. Man. Where are all the drones? The drones are thinking. Oh, there's a gherkin. Looks bad. Look. There's a horrible histories. But that was recorded. But that was a thing when I was younger. I would totally be on there. Oh, pardon me. We're back at the room to get our bags to check out. You are locked out, so you had to go down reception. Because literally it was 2 minutes to, and it wouldn't let us in the door because checkout was 12. But we're going to put our bags down and then off to the stadium. I'm actually quite excited, but honey, you sorted?
No.
Oh. Everyone ready? Let's go.
No, I'm not ready.
Can anyone see the gherkin? Oh. Can't even see it. Oh, there we go. It's massive. Is it going up or down? Here, nothing.
Go to rlwc2021.com/tickets and secure your place.
the centre. We went for a drink before the queue went down. Oh, we're looking for some food. Oh god, stairs. Yeah, we went to this like a little eatery. Full. We haven't booked. Probably not the best option. We have just been to all I want for some food because we were all very hungry. That's a bit of an argument, but we're all fine now because we are fed. Obley's food. Just saying that we've had food. It was very nice. I had
Really nice.
Yeah, we are still tired. It's 9:30. Not even 9:30. 8:45. So I think it'd be see the football score and listen. We are back at the hotel, but in a different room because now we are in the Premium Plus. Premier Plus, because we're in a Premier Inn. It's much nicer, but I'll go quick. I won't do a room tour now because it's very tired, and that'll be 2 room tours in 1 video. Very boring. But now we are back. We've got some hot chocolate and chunky Belgian shortbread. For a cup of tea. Is that on ITV?
Yeah.
We're trying to find the football. That means Dad's going back out, he says. But yeah, I think I might end this now. So I will see you next time.